What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Mr. Model Trains here, coming at you with another unboxing video this week. That's right, 2 days this week that I'm actually putting out some actual videos and not just shorts. But if you guys haven't seen my latest unboxing video, here's a clip there, or a clip here, or there. And obviously, as you guys just saw, it was of the Broadway Limited HO NW2 switcher in the Union Pacific paint scheme. So sticking with the diesels, as you guys can see, I kind of already opened the box, but sticking with the diesel theme, I got a CSX GP40, I believe. Again, as you guys know, I'm not really versed in the diesels, but yep, EMD GP40, as you guys can see right there. Operating headlights, economy sound, oh no, sorry, sound value, and the CSX Bright Future paint scheme, number 6059. So let's get her on the track and get you, show off the details and whatnot. All right, so comes in this nice little, I call it a jewelry case or a display case. Forgot that. So normally I wouldn't really open it up upside down like that, but I have my hand right under there. Mail thing for their magazine and their catalog. Here we have the lovely GP40. Really nice details, but again, I'll show you guys once I get her on the track. Flip the camera around, and you can kind of see it in the reflection, but I do have a ring light. You can kind of see it in the reflection of my glasses, but and then tucked down here, limited 1-year warranty and probably your owner's manual / functions. So let's get her going. So as you guys can see, really nicely detailed, separately applied handrails, guardrails, really nice rivet detailing. As you can see, we got number lights, which I think light up once the engine is on. Super nice job with the paint scheme. Overall, really good engine. The body's plastic, but the trucks are metal. And again, it's pretty much the same thing on the other side. But very nice detailing for N scale. You can even see the caution label on the door right there. So really nice detailing. Another caution warning there. So super nice. Overall, in terms of detailing and paint scheme, I give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. Yeah. Maybe they could have added a little more detail on the footpath. Now I can't really see, but again, this is definitely 9.5, probably a 10 out of 10 to be honest with you. But let's get the locomotive running, see how she sounds, and get her pulling a little consist of freight here. All right, y'all, so I got her on the track. This is the other side. As you can see, she looks beautiful. But let's unmute her. This is her at idle. Let's hear the bell. Nice. Horn. Short horn. 4 is dynamic brake. 9 is grade crossing. And then, oops, sorry, wrong way. You guys can see right there. Now the lights do not flicker. That just happens to do with the frame rate of my camera. But if you press 0, lights off, lights on, and whoa, there we go. Sorry about that. Still getting used to this gimbal. But back there, the light is on too, and it is directional, so that's cool. But anyways, let's get our move done out.